Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 fractions, decimals, and rational numbers. In that, exercise 1, first question. The question is given: compute and express the result as a mixed fraction. I am taking in that fifth question, first main fifth question, that is 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Now how to solve this one? You just see the form: a by b minus c by d. A by b minus c by d, you can do like this by multiplying cross product rule. A into d, here middle sign is minus, and like this cross b into c by, and the product of the denominators also, that is b into d. By using this form, I am going to solve this one. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. So 5 into 6 cross ga multiply cheddam, that is 5 into 6, middle sign is minus, and like this 8 into 1 by, and the denominators also 8 6 are, that is 8 into 6. So 5 6 are what, Nana? 5 6 are, that is 30, plus minus 8 1s are 8 by 8 6 are 48. So we get here 30 minus 8, 30 minus 8, that is 22 by 48. So by using two table, 2 11s are 22, 2 24s are 48. So we get 11 by 24. Now clearly it is a proper fraction because of a numerator is a small number and a denominator is a bigger number. So the numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator, that is a proper fraction. So proper fraction ni mixed fraction ga convert cheyalem kada. So that's why you just leave 11 by 24. It is the answer. Now go for the next question. That is sixth one. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. You see this question, Nana? Clearly the given two fractions, 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction, and 3 1 by 2 also mixed fraction. So now I am going to add the two mixed fractions. So first of all, how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. The mixed fraction ela convert cheyali chudandi. 2 by 3, that is equals to, you should multiply the whole number part with the denominator. Okay, now you should multiply the whole number part. This is a whole number part and this is a proper fraction. You should multiply the whole number part with the denominator of a proper fraction, then after add a numerator. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ చేయాలి. 3 into 2, 3 2s are like this, 3 into 2 plus, here add the numerator, by denominator is 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 by 3, that is 6 plus 2 is equals to 8 by 3. Clearly 3 2s are 6, 6 ki 2 add cheste 8 by 3, simple. Okay, and like that only 3 1 by 2, that is equals to, you should multiply here and we should add here, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 1 by denominator is 2, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by 2, that is equals to 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So clearly first step what I did here, I just converted a mixed fractions into an improper fraction. So clearly numerator is a big number, denominator is a small number. numerator is a big number and the denominator is a small number. Okay. Now in the place of 2 by I am writing 8 by 3 plus in the place of 3 1 by 2 I am writing 7 by 2. So as usually what the procedure just now I said, a plus a by b plus c by d, like this. While we are going to add two fractions, we can do the cross product method, a into d plus b into c by the product of the denominators also, b into d. So 8 into 2 multiply చేయండి, 8 into 2 middle sign plus 3 into 7 by the product of the denominators also, 3 into 2. Now 8 2s are 16 plus 3 7s are 21 by 3 2s are 6. 16 plus 21 means 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 6 36 plus 1, that is 37 by 6. Clearly we get 37 by 6. It is a improper fraction. Numerator is a big number and the denominator is a small number. We can express it as a mixed fraction. అంటే ఈ ఆన్సర్ని మనం మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు. How? 37 just divide with 6. 6 6 are, by reading 6 table, it is very close to 6 6 are 36. Minus means 37 minus 6 36, that is we get 1. This is a quotient and this is a remainder, and 6 is a divisor. Now how to write an improper fraction, then how to write in mixed fraction. The quotient 6 here, the quotient 6 is a whole number, and 1, the remainder 1 is a numerator of a proper fraction, and the divisor 6 is a denominator of a proper fraction. So 37 by 6 we can express it as 6 1 by 6 in mixed fraction. Okay na? So this is the required answer for this question. Now the next one, arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Second question, arrange the following in ascending order. In that first question is given 5 by 8 comma 5 by 8 comma 5 by 6 comma 1 by 2. So by seeing these fractions, then how to arrange these fractions in ascending order? Ascending order lo ela rastam? Ascending order means increasing order, ante small to big. For example, if I write numbers here like this, so I taken these numbers, then how to write these numbers in ascending order? Simply small to big. 1 is the smallest number, then after 2, then after 4, then after 8, and then after 9. Simply we can write like this, small to big. By seeing we can say, but is it possible to say? Clearly these fractions are unlike fractions na. Ikkada denominators anni kuda different ga unnai kada. Yes, these are not like fractions. Ade like fractions ante, for example 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 9 by 4, the denominator should be same. The same denominators unte like fractions. Ila unte by comparing the numerators we can write the either ascending order or descending order. So ila unlike fractions ni ela rayali. Now see, first of all, what I am going to do here, I am going to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. Unlike fractions ni like fractions ga convert cheyali. What I am doing here, LCM of denominators. I'm taking here LCM of denominators. What are the denominators here? 8, 6, 2. Okay na? These are the 5, 5, 1. These are the numerators. 8, 6, 2. These are the denominators. 8, 6, 2. Okay? Now, finding LCM. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are. Again, I am using 2 only. 2 2s are 4. 3 is an odd multiple of 2 and 1. Simply we get that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. LCM, least common multiple of 8, 6, 2. That is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So clearly I get LCM is 24. Now I am taking the first fraction. What is that one? 5 by 8. This is a fraction. The denominator of a fraction is 8. This is how many times in this LCM? The LCM 24 lo any times? LCM we get 24 na. The denominator, right, in this LCM 3 times. 8 3 is the 24. That's why you multiply the numerator and the denominator with 3. So we get that is 5 3s are 15 by 8 3s are 24. Then go for the next one. What is the next one? Next fraction is 5 by 6. Okay. What is the denominator of the fraction? 6 is a denominator. The denominator 6, how many times in this LCM? The LCM 24 lo any times? 6 4s are 24. That's why you multiply the numerator and the denominator with 4. So we get 5 4s are 20 by 6 4s are 24. Again take the next one. That is what? 1 by 2. Okay na? What is the denominator of a fraction? The denominator of a fraction is 2. This is how many times in this LCM? LCM 24 lo 2 how many times? 2 12s are 24. That's why you multiply the numerator with 12 and the denominator also with 12. You get 12 1s are 12 by 2 12s are 24. Clearly we converted these unlike fractions into like fractions because of you just observe the denominator. 15 by 24, 20 by 24, 12 by 24. Yes, the denominators are same. Now I am writing here, in that which is the smallest number? Denominators are same unnai. 24, 24, 24. Just you compare the numerators. The numerator 15, here 20, here 12. Indulo smallest enti 12 by 24. Okay, 12 by 24 less than next 15 or 20. Renditlo edi small one. 15 is a small one. That's why 15 by 24 less than 20 by 24 is the last one. So actually 12 by 24 what is the main fraction? That is 1 by 2 less than 15 by 24 ki main fraction enti? That is 5 by 8 less than 20 by 24 main fraction, that is 5 by 6. So this is the ascending order. This is the ascending order. Okay na? Ascending order of the particular these fractions is 1 by 2, 5 by 8. This is the increasing order. Okay na students? So like this we can convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Then after we can arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Thank you.